Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 33 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is electronic, whatever that means to you. I've been using this TV, a security envelope pattern. I've got this, something with a star or stars. I've got this, a doodle. I'll be doing that. Something industrial. I've got this, I think it's a press, but something from a factory. And the bonus is text from a book page, and I've got various pages. Well, I hope you'll enjoy this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. I'll have it listed in my description box. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2022 CWP33 to see what everyone has made. It is always so much fun to see how everyone interprets the prompts. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, I'm finished. I like how it turned out. It was really very simple. I have my electronic, which is my television. I have my security envelope, something with stars, a doodle. I doodled this and I doodled my border, and something industrial. I've got this, and text from a book page. And I just added the people because it seemed to suit the time and just kind of helped it to come along together a little bit more instead of just things put down on a piece of paper. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out hashtag 2022 CWP33 to see what everyone has made. I can't wait to see. So until next time, bye y'all.